there, and welcome to Matt's Garage. So as you can see, my V8 Mercedes is running well, and actually everything went really well with the swap. And the only issue I have with this car now is the transmission, which I had professionally built, and it's not so much that there's a problem with it, but that they built it differently than what I want it, and it's really built with the intention of drag racing. It shifts very high and very, very aggressively, to the point where I'm worried it's going to tear apart the car eventually. So I think I need to do something about that and tone it down. Otherwise, my engine's been running good. It's been actually getting really good fuel economy. This is actually an engine I built myself back in 2007. So it's bored over, high compression, high lift cam. Everything else has worked out good. All the electronics to do with the swap, everything's worked. You can see I put an MSD ignition in and everything to make things simple. But the only real issues I had with electronics was the tachometer. Of course, the factory one didn't work because it used to be a 6-cylinder. So I just put an aftermarket tachometer in the dash, as you can see here. But everything else in the gauge cluster works. And then the neutral safety switch, I couldn't really get that to work out for me. So I do have a push-pull ignition switch, and I have a start button. So I don't really mind that. A good anti-theft device. And then also my shifter works backwards too. So you can see park is down at the bottom, drive is up at the top, and then I put a Summit Racing American flag sticker there to mark out my shift indicator on with a Sharpie. Try to have some fun with this build. So yeah, otherwise I'm loving this car. It rides super smooth, super nice to drive. Couple little issues related to the age of the car, just little issues I'm working through as we go here, but it's on the road, running and driving. Oh, and you may notice that I've deleted my headlight wipers. I really didn't like those, so just quickly welded up the holes. I didn't even put any body filler there, and I changed my bumper cover. I put a new, or a used unbroken cover on. I haven't made my under bumper lip yet to cover up the bottom of my radiator, but I think it already looks a lot cleaner on the front. Kind of quickly reconditioned my grill while I was at it. thing I love about this car is how smooth it rides. Like, just rides beautiful. But at the same time, it's very sporty. As you can see, I can horse around in it and have some fun. It's like a Mercedes Fox body Mustang. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Hope you enjoyed this project. Make sure you're subscribed for future projects. And thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Have yourself a great day.